Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, so if that sounds good to you, then please subscribe below. Returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. Really appreciate it. Today I am doing a Stitch Fix unboxing, everybody's favorite. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different, so hopefully this will be fun and interesting. When I do my try-on, I am actually going to bring my husband in and have him make comments about everything that I'm trying on and get his opinion, and I just thought it would be fun to get kind of a male voice on it. I frequently get his opinion on things, and I think he has good opinions, so I thought, why not give this a try? So hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you'll give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and open up this box. We'll go through it, then I'll bring my husband in and I will do a quick little intro with him, and hopefully again this will be fun. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, they are a clothing unboxing subscription where you fill out a style survey and then a stylist sends you 5 items every 2 to 3 weeks or every month or every 3 months depending on the frequency in which you order it. If you want to try Stitch Fix and get $25 off of your first box, then you can use my referral link below. Stitch Fix gives you 3 days to decide what you like and what you don't like, and then you just send back what you don't want to keep and then just charge you for what you keep. There's a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything. I'm opening this box super weird, but it's like I didn't mark off my address label and I'm trying not to show that, so I apologize. Okay, so yeah, $20 styling fee gets applied to anything you purchase unless you get offered the Style Pass, which is $49 for a whole year, and that still gets applied to anything you purchase. Okay, so that's the information. You get a mailer to send back what you don't want to keep, and then you get this cool bundle that is your clothing items. So, okay, I see some cool colors in there. I'm particularly interested in that green on top. So let's go ahead and dive into that. Okay, first off, we have by Fortune and Ivy, and it is this beautiful green blouse. Many of you know I'm not a huge sheer blouse, and it is a bit sheer person, but I'm making a few exceptions here and there as I find a beautiful blouse. I love green, and I just think this is beautiful. It's got the tab sleeves on the end and the double pockets in the front, and I'm hoping that this is not too big because I think it is beautiful. I love the green. Okay, next up we have Pink Clover. This is a striped shirt. It's like a charcoal and a beige, and very soft as Pink Clover tends to be, and it looks like it's got a tie front, so it's not currently tied in the front, but it looks like it's got little thingies here to do a tie front, so we'll see how that looks. I like the striping on it because I'm a huge stripe fan. I like the side stripe panel. I think that's a cute detail. I like this a lot. Alright, next up by Pink Clover again, we have another sweater here. It's more like a baseball tee type sweater, and it's got navy and white stripes with my favorite little elbow patches here, some brown elbow patches, and then gray everywhere else, gray cuffs. Very cute. These first 3 items I really love, so I'm gonna have a hard time making a decision again, guys. And then just slits here on the side, so very cute. And then we have this blazer here, I think. Yes, this looks to be like a camel color blazer, a long blazer. Does have pockets on it. This is nice. This is nice. Kind of a crepey type material. This is by French Mauve, and I really like it. I like this a lot. I don't have anything like this, so I'm very interested to see how this fits on me and how it looks. And then I have a beautiful mustard something. Okay, it's a skirt, a mustard skirt, and it's got like a tie on the front here and elastic waist, and it's got these pockets here in the front. All right, that's really pretty. I like that a lot. I do not have any mustard skirts, so very interested to see how this all fits. Can't wait to try this stuff on and get my husband's feedback. Oh, but I will go get him and introduce him to you guys. All right, guys, I have brought my husband in. This is Dave, and he actually has his own social media. He is on TikTok.
That's right. You can check me out on TikTok. I'm at Davey Crapcorn, or you can find me at #CatDad.
And to explain the cat dad thing a little bit, he makes videos and they're actually with our cat. So.
Right, and it's quality videos for the whole family can enjoy. So.
And if you're not familiar with what TikTok is, it's basically an app with 15-second videos. He's also puts links to it on his Twitter, YouTube, things like that. So it's easy to find, but I'll put links below for all that. So check him out, and they are delightful, delightful videos, so they will be fun to watch. A couple quick questions before we start doing the try-on. So Dave, what do you think of all these style boxes I get?
You get a lot of packages in the mail.
Okay. And do you like the clothes I get from it?
Yeah, you're very fashionable, so.
Thanks.
You look good.
All right, let's get to the try-on now. Okay, first up we have this blazer and the green blouse. Okay, first of all, honey, what do you think of this blazer?
It looks very business-like, so it looks like a suit coat.
Does it feel like it fits well? Does it look like it fits well? Do you think it's cute?
It looks modern and fashionable, and yeah, I guess it looks like it fits good.
Okay, I agree. I think it fits really well. It's different than other blazers I have, and I really like it. Now, let's move on to the blouse.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's a bright collar, and I like collars like that, so yeah, once again, looks good.
Size-wise, does it look like it fits all right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah, I think this blouse, a lot of blouses I've tried on end up being like way too big on me. And this one, I feel like it fits pretty well, and I love the green because I'm a big green fan.
Okay.
And so I really like this as well. So let's go to the next outfit. Okay, next up we have this sweater and mustard skirt. They do not belong together because this is super weird, but I just put them on together for the sake of speed. So, honey, starting at the top and ignoring this here, what do you think of this sweater?
The sweater's fine. It looks, modern. Looks good.
Just fine. You're
yeah.
just not excited by it, but it's fine.
Yeah, I'm not excited.
Okay, that's fine.
But I mean, I don't dislike it.
Okay.
It looks good. I don't have a problem with it.
Okay.
It looks cool because you can tie it. So that's
yeah, cool. I do like the tie detail on the front. I think that's really cute. Again, this is kind of in the way. And I like the way it kind of hangs down in the back. And it's very comfortable and cute, casual. So I like that. So I like this. Now the skirt, what do you think, honey?
It looks a little dated. I never liked the mustard collar.
Oh, you always compliment my mustard top.
I always say mustard top.
Oh.
I never really say I like it.
I always thought that mean you liked it.
No, I always just call it out because I like the word mustard as a collar. Anyways.
Okay, well this is enlightening.
I don't really care for the mustard collar, and it looks kind of 60-ish or 70-ish, from the 60s or 70s.
Yeah.
So it's like a little dated. That's my opinion.
Okay. Well, my opinion is I kind of love it. I like the tie in the front. I do like the mustard color. I have mixed feelings with the mustard color on the bottom half of me. So, and I like the length. Hopefully you guys can see that as I'm on my tippy toes. And pockets, and it fits really well. So I like it. This will be, for me, a matter if the price is right. It turns out my husband does not like the mustard color, and this whole time I thought he loved mustard because he always said mustard. So that's different. Okay, so, all right, one more sweater to try on.
Mustard. I would write a song about that.
Do it, man.
Mustard. My Jenny wears mustard.
Mustard. Mustard. Okay, last up we have this final sweater. Again, elbow patches on it. What do you think, honey?
Sweater's great. I'm never going to be a fan of elbow patches.
Oh no, I have lots of elbow patches now. I apparently don't ask them that much about the things I get. You don't, but isn't that a cute detail?
It's cute because it's on you,
Oh.
You know, you can pull it off, no problem.
Okay.
But that's the only reason.
Okay.
I would never go for elbow patches.
Yeah. Well.
But who knows? That might be in fact. I don't know.
It is.
Okay,
it's
then.
in right now, and I think they're super cute.
Okay.
So,
Wow.
but I like to hear your opinions
Right.
on these things. So, myself, I like the sweater. It's a good length. I like that it is a longer sweater. Again, a nice casual one, and a lot of these items will be, you know, whether the price is right or not. So that's a lead into, let's go over prices and final thoughts. Okay, so let's go over the prices and then we will get final thoughts. So the tie front top, this is $42. It's pink clover Nanci tie front brush knit top. You felt kind of about this. I like it. I don't know if I need it since it's $42, which is a great price for that, but I just don't know that I need this. So on the fence as far as that. I'm wearing the pink clover Jayden elbow patch pullover. It is $44. Which out of these two, which one do you like better?
Definitely this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? Because the tie front?
The tie front and it don't have elbow patches.
Oh yeah, the elbow patches. I like you. Okay, so this is a contender to keep. This one not so much. I do have other tops with elbow patches that I like a lot. Then we have the French Mauve Melanie knit tunic blazer, and it is $88. I like it. I like it a lot. I just don't think I'm gonna pay $90 for it. Do you agree with that?
I agree. It's a little expensive, I guess.
Yeah, and it wasn't like, oh my word, that's the best blazer I've ever seen.
Right.
Yeah, okay. So then we have the GILLI Luca knit skirt in mustard, Dave's favorite color, and it is $48. Honey, what do you think? Should I keep it?
Why don't we send that one back?
Okay, I genuinely would have considered keeping this if I didn't find out how we felt about mustard.
Well, you don't have to dress for
I
lights
know.
for the sake. I mean,
I'm still thinking about it, but then it's like, it's $50, so
right.
I don't know. I have lots and lots and lots of skirts, and summer's just not that long. So, okay, probably not. And then we have, this is a Fortune and Ivy Christelle 2-pocket something blouse, and this is $38. What do you think about this one?
I like it.
I really like this.
Good price.
I love the color. I think I could wear this like year round, like layer it in the winter, in the summer, just wear it with some dress pants or a skirt. I think this one's a keeper.
All right.
So what would you, so if you were me, you'd keep what?
The green shirt.
And this one, probably not.
I don't know. I'd keep it probably. And honestly, I'd probably keep that blazer thing.
What? Really?
It looked good. And it's, I don't know. That's
Okay.
my thoughts.
No, sorry. Thanks for sharing your thoughts. Okay, what I think I'm going to keep, and I'll put for sure in the description below, with hearing his feedback and my cheapness, I think the blouse and maybe this, but I don't know for sure, so I will put in the description what I decided to keep. I could easily do a 5 for 5 if it wasn't, I mean, I loved everything in this box. Nikki did a great job. I forgot to tell you guys, total for the entire box is $260. The buy all discount takes off $65, and the box total is at $195. So I'm obviously not going to spend $195, but I loved it all, so that's cool. Okay, so I guess that's it. Thank you, Dave, for joining me and making comments.
You're welcome.
And again, check him out on TikTok. Is there anything they should do?
And you should subscribe to Jen's channel.
Yes. Thank you, Dave. And give this video a like if you guys liked it. Hopefully this was a fun switch up. And hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.